Foreclosure and eviction bans extended, an increase in new home construction, and a few DIY projects that can add value to your home. Hi, I'm Jordan Norris, and this is the 90-Second Real Estate Rundown, a show where I'll read to you the top headlines in the industry this week in the same amount of time it could take for your house to sell in today's market, which is really only a slight exaggeration. HUD reported that they plan to extend the ban on evictions and foreclosures backed by the FHA through the end of the year, covering over 8.1 million homeowners. For perspective, the CARES Act applied to roughly a quarter of all 44 million rental units in the United States. The extension happened a week after an executive order had federal agencies reviewing whether any measures temporarily halting residential evictions were necessary to prevent the spread of COVID-19. As demand grows and inventory remains tight, new home construction just keeps climbing. In July, single-family housing starts were at a seasonally adjusted rate of nearly 1.5 million, which is a 22.6% increase from June. Housing permits continue to run at an even higher rate in July, an indication that the production of new homes will likely grow even more. Only 6% of homes that went on the market in July held an open house in the first 7 days, which is 16% than this same time in 2019. In some areas like Tampa, Florida, open houses have become more strict for anyone attending. Viewers are required not only to wear a mask, sanitize their hands, and sign paperwork upon entry, they also limit occupancy to 3 parties of 2 or less at a time. Listing agents say that the only reason they hold open houses still is because the demand for individual showings is overwhelming. Making a house feel like a home takes some elbow grease. Zillow teamed up with Thumbtack to create a list of 5 manageable updates that add value to homes to help sellers decide which DIY projects are worth the time and money. The suggestions include upgrading your lights to create the right atmosphere, replacing bathroom and kitchen faucets, elevating your outdoor spaces with better landscaping, adding an entertainment feature like a fire pit, and finally giving the exterior a new coat of paint. If you're struggling with ideas for a color scheme, Zillow research shows homes with a black front door can sell up to $6,000 more than similar homes. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy the show, subscribe so that you get updated every week when we post. Comment down below if you have any feedback, and click that like button. I'll see you next week.